Our ultra-high temp tags take the heat. Scorching manufacturing conditions, steel pouring, molten metal. Don't sweat it. Our tags can take on temperatures as high as 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't just take our word for it. Let's put them through
the gauntlet of fire.
Just kidding, we aren't allowed to use an open flame or torch in the making of this video. Aw shucks.
So instead, we'll use a toaster oven to simulate a hot environment and add fire effects and metal music for dramatic flair. Your typical tags might not last, but our high temp ones can take the heat.
Try it for yourself. Contact the label experts for free samples today.